The 2025 Audi RSQ8 is a powerful, luxurious, and performance-oriented SUV that brings together thrilling speed, high-end comfort, and advanced technology in one impressive package. It continues to build on the RSQ8's already well-established reputation as one of the most dynamic and desirable high-performance SUVs in the world. With striking aesthetics and track-level capabilities, this new model is engineered to impress enthusiasts who want both utility and exhilaration in one complete vehicle. The RSQ8 is a flagship of Audi's RS lineup and reflects the company's commitment to pushing the boundaries of design, performance, and innovation. At the heart of the 2025 Audi RSQ8 is a potent 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine that delivers a jaw-dropping 591 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. This engine is paired with an 8-speed Tiptronic automatic transmission and Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system, providing remarkable traction and acceleration in all weather conditions. The RSQ8 can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.7 seconds, making it one of the fastest SUVs on the market. This performance is further enhanced by features like active roll stabilization, adaptive air suspension, and rear-wheel steering for outstanding control and agility. In terms of design, the 2025 RSQ8 commands attention with its aggressive yet refined styling. The bold single-frame grille, large air intakes, muscular body lines, and signature RS trim elements set it apart from the standard Q8. The sleek LED matrix headlights and RS-specific bumpers add a sporty elegance that complements its high-performance character. At the rear, the RS exhaust system with oval tailpipes and a roof spoiler further emphasize its sporty DNA. The RSQ8 rides on massive 22-inch alloy wheels, with 23-inch options available, completing the dominating and sophisticated look of this SUV. Step inside, and the interior of the RSQ8 is just as impressive as its performance. It offers a luxurious and high-tech cabin packed with premium materials, precision craftsmanship, and RS-specific design elements. The standard Valcona leather seats with honeycomb stitching offer exceptional support and comfort, whether you are cruising on the highway or taking tight corners at speed. The cabin is adorned with carbon fiber or aluminum inlays, ambient lighting, and a flat-bottom steering wheel with paddle shifters to emphasize its sporty nature. The RSQ8 is also a tech powerhouse. It comes equipped with Audi's latest MMI touch response system featuring 2 large touchscreens that control infotainment and climate settings. The system is fast, intuitive, and supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, and voice control. The 12.3-inch Virtual Cockpit Plus display offers customizable views including RS-specific performance data such as lap times, G-forces, and boost pressure. For audiophiles, a Bang & Olufsen 3D premium sound system is available, delivering concert-quality audio throughout the cabin. Safety and driver assistance technologies are also top-notch in the 2025 RSQ8. It includes a full suite of advanced systems such as adaptive cruise assist, lane departure warning, traffic jam assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. These features not only enhance convenience but also provide peace of mind whether you're navigating city streets or embarking on a long-distance journey. Practicality has not been sacrificed for performance. The RSQ8 offers generous cargo space, split folding rear seats, and a hands-free power liftgate, making it suitable for families and those with active lifestyles. It manages to strike a unique balance between everyday usability and high-performance excitement. Fuel economy, while not the primary focus of this type of vehicle, is reasonably efficient for a V8-powered SUV. Audi's mild hybrid system helps optimize fuel consumption by allowing the RSQ8 to coast with the engine off and recapture energy during braking. This subtle electrification plays a role in enhancing both efficiency and smoothness. With the 2025 model, Audi continues to evolve the RSQ8 to keep it competitive with rivals like the BMW X6M, Mercedes-AMG GLE 63 Coupe, and Lamborghini Urus. Despite being performance machines, these vehicles also aim to provide high levels of comfort and technology, and the RSQ8 does not fall short in any department. In fact, it stands out with its unique blend of German engineering precision, practical luxury, and relentless power. The 2025 Audi RSQ8 is more than just a high-performance SUV. It's a symbol of Audi's engineering excellence, a machine designed for those who demand the best in performance, luxury, and technology. Whether you're buying it for its thrilling driving dynamics, advanced tech features, or standout looks, the RSQ8 delivers in every way. It's ideal for drivers who want an SUV that can do it all without compromise. If you're interested in premium performance with the versatility of an SUV, the 2025 Audi RSQ8 is undoubtedly worth considering. Its design, capability, and innovation make it one of the top contenders in its segment. This video is presented by USA Mastermind, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews, expert insights, and the latest updates from the automotive world. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the newest car reviews and technology features, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update.